Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie Rey Becerra and I'm going to present the design of an innovative system of safety and health at work applied to construction. This capstone design project of my students Julián, Daniela, Nathalia and Valentina was the dissertation to obtain the Bachelor-Degree in Industrial Engineering at Javeriana University in Cali campus. We participate in the Solar Decathlon Latin America and Caribbean 2019 as the Minga team with other 6 bachelors from the same university, the Federal University of Santa Catarina and Federal Institute of Santa Catarina from Brazil. This contest took place in December last year and we got the first place, so I am so proud of them. The objective of the Solar Decathlon was to build a sustainable house. So how industrial engineering students could help? Well, from 2 perspectives, logistics and occupational safety and health. So here we are. This project used the DMAF approach from Six Sigma as methodology. And I will go through all these steps. Define, measure, analyze, design, and verify. Let's start. This work focuses on the development and action plan that enables the prevention and reduction of risk in the construction site. If we look into the Colombian statistics, there were more than 645 occupational accidents in this industry. Some accidents can be prevented with personal protection equipment, also called PPE. Therefore, the first step to do the action plan for Minga was to recognize the stakeholders involved. So we did a power interest matrix where we realized that team members as workers and professors as managers were the most important. In the measure phase, we built a case effect tree to understand the problem of work-related accident in construction due to disuse or incorrect use of PPE. To do the effect part, we made a hazard identification and risk assessment by visiting 5 construction sites of prefabricated houses. First, we identified 15 main activities. Then we calculate the risk level and we associate it with the corresponding PPE. To do the cause part, we base on established causes in the literature due to time constraints. As you can see, one of the main reasons is the misinformation or lack of training. That what we could do? Let's move into the analyze phase. According to the literature review, we ended up with these 4 options. After doing a hierarchical analysis process for decision making, the best option was to develop an evaluation system of using technological tools. Thus, the objective was to design an innovative system that allows the assessment of the correct use of PPE. Therefore, the team had to first design the assessment and the evaluation system. Second, analyze the level of knowledge. Third, validate the system. And fourth, evaluate the use of this technology. So let's see. The design phase was divided into 3 main stages. First, the team created a questionnaire about which type of PPE must be used for the recognized activities, and only 1 answer was correct. Second, thanks to the support of students from communication, the team designed a 360-degree virtual environment using 3D Vista in 2 phases, as you can see in these pictures. In the phase 1, panoramic photos from the exact land where the competition was taken. And in the phase 2, the renders of the Minga house under construction. If you go into this QR code, you can see a short video about how the software works. The third stage, before the competition, Minga students had a safety traditional lecture with the safety manager from Javeriana University. Then they were divided into 2 groups, G1 and G2. G1 took the paper and pencil test and G2 took the virtual reality designing program on a desktop. Both questionnaires had the same questions. Finally, a second test took place for both groups after 5 days, and a satisfaction survey was done only for G2. So, how was it? Well, After performing the statistical test, we found that both groups improved their results in the second test. Besides, G2 had better results in the second test than G1. This could be associated with the fact that participants could remember the pictures and the virtual tour inside the house, but of course, more evidence is needed. So for more information, please read the article that is available in the Springer book. Thank you so much for your attention.